Singapore, a city where futuristic skylines meet rich culture and every corner feels like a postcard. If you only have 48 hours, don't worry. This guide will take you through the best places to experience the heart of the Lion City. From iconic landmarks to hidden cultural gems, here's how to spend 2 unforgettable days in Singapore. Day 1. City plus skyline. Marina Bay Sands. Start your journey at Marina Bay Sands, Singapore's most iconic landmark. This luxury resort is famous for its rooftop infinity pool, offering one of the best skyline views in the world. Even if you're not staying here, you can visit the Sky Park observation deck for panoramic views of the city. Inside, you'll find high-end shopping, restaurants, and even a canal running through the mall. Gardens by the Bay. Just a short walk away is Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic nature park. Explore the Cloud Forest, home to one of the world's tallest indoor waterfalls, and the Flower Dome, showcasing plants from across the globe. Stay until evening to catch the Super Tree Grove Light Show, a magical display of lights and music under towering vertical gardens. Merlion Park. Next, head to Merlion Park, home of Singapore's legendary half-lion, half-fish statue. It represents Singapore's origins as a fishing village and its transformation into a global city. This is one of the best spots for photos, especially with Marina Bay Sands in the background. Singapore Flyer. For another perspective, ride the Singapore Flyer, one of the largest observation wheels in the world. Each rotation takes about 30 minutes, giving you a slow, breathtaking view of the skyline, Marina Bay, and even parts of Malaysia and Indonesia on a clear day. Clarke Quay, night. End your first day at Clarke Quay, the nightlife hub of Singapore. With colorful riverside buildings, lively bars, and restaurants, it's the perfect place to relax after a full day of exploring. You can also take a river cruise to see the city beautifully lit at night. Day 2. Adventure plus culture. Sentosa Island. Start Day 2 at Sentosa Island, Singapore's ultimate playground. Relax on sandy beaches, ride the cable car for stunning views, or visit attractions like Universal Studios and the SEA Aquarium. Whether you're into adventure or relaxation, Sentosa has something for everyone. Chinatown and Little India. Next, dive into Singapore's cultural diversity. In Chinatown, explore traditional shops, temples, and local street food. Then head to Little India, where vibrant colors, spices, and heritage buildings create a completely different atmosphere. These neighborhoods showcase Singapore's multicultural identity. Orchard Road. As evening approaches, visit Orchard Road, Singapore's premier shopping district. Stretching over 2 kilometers, it's lined with luxury brands, malls, and cafes. Even if you're not shopping, the vibrant atmosphere and city lights make it worth the visit. Jewel Changi Airport. Before you leave, make a stop at Jewel Changi Airport. Home to the world's tallest indoor waterfall, the Rain Vortex, this destination is more than just an airport. It's an attraction on its own. Walk through the indoor forest, enjoy dining options, and end your trip on a truly unforgettable note. And just like that, 48 hours in Singapore comes to an end. From futuristic architecture to cultural neighborhoods, this city proves that even a short trip can be packed with unforgettable experiences. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Until the next destination, see you on the road!